Leadership is influence. And here's how you can measure someone's leadership. If you think you're leading and no one is following, then you are only taking a walk. Right? Come on, guys, let's go. Shit. Right? Leadership is real simple. Who is that? How many people are following that person? I don't mean on Instagram. Oh, she's a leader. No, she's hot and she posts her shit in thongs all the time. And so she's got a lot of followers. That's not leadership. The most confusing term now for me is the word influencer. It's really micro-celebrity. It's really what an influencer is. You're a micro-celebrity, right? It's like you're hot or you're funny or whatever. But that's what comedians are, and that's what actresses are, and that's what models are. You know, to me, an influencer is somebody that moves people into action because of core values and beliefs, and like that's what a leader is, right? So it's kind of confusing when we talk about influence. Like, oh yeah, influence. I got 50,000 followers on Instagram. We got to add that one, actually. that's going on this slide next time. Oh, they're an influencer. No, they post naked pictures. That's all. That's not leadership, right? So I respect that, but that's a category that's different than a leader who has influence.